Hi, I'm Kay, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about strength training for women. So when I started strength training, I was always scared of the weight section, as I thought it was for men and I always thought I would get a little bit bulky. But I was so wrong. Girls always think that they need to run on treadmills for hours and hours, and yes, cardiovascular training is great for our health, but strength training is so much better. The benefits of strength training is that we build muscle, and when we build muscle we also burn calories. Another benefit is that it reduces the risk of injury. It increases our strength of muscles. Another benefit is increasing our energy. It helps lift our mood and it also increases our sleep. It releases a hormone called endorphins, which is our happy hormone. So how do you begin your strength training? Firstly, decide how much time you have and how many days a week you want to train, depending on your lifestyle and your goals. Firstly, I would decide to split your body into two, the upper half and the lower half, and then alternate them days. For example, if you were training 4 times a week, I would go 2 upper and 2 lower days. So the upper is all above your waist and anything lower is below your waist. So firstly, I would start with machine exercises, such as a lat pull down or a seated shoulder press. As you get more comfortable with the equipment, I would go into something more free weight, like a standard shoulder press with a barbell or even a single arm row on a bench. Take your time to get comfortable with the weights. The gym should have a PT or someone that can help you around, or even ask another female in the gym that is training around you and they can always help. It's time to start lifting. No matter your goals, it will help you feel stronger and help you feel more confident inside and out. So I hope you enjoyed this masterclass video on strength training for women. So if you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the Myprotein YouTube channel.